GUI we will design. There will be two numbers and one button. If you press the button, that result will be displayed in some portion of this GUI. Okay, so we'll design this GUI for that work. So for this GUI, how many edit text are there? Two edit text, one submit button, and to view the result or answer, we need to give one text view. Okay, two edit text, one submit button, and one text view to display the result. This design will complete now. Now for that, what I will do, go to the layout, and you can remove all the views, and first thing that okay, first we'll check. Okay, these two are the edit text. Now I'll put some edit text. Okay, that is edit text means this is the plain text. You take this one and set the position of this text. And bring it according to your, suppose this one, this position. Also you can make it larger or smaller, that depends on you. Okay, now go to the text. Okay, and then you can write here that this is written in the text is name. Okay, you can write here that input 1 or something for your good understanding. Okay, input 1 or enter number. Okay, enter number, and then you can give also that this is one. Now sorry. If you go to the design, you see I took the plain text, but in code it's an edit text. It's come to the edit text pattern. Okay. Now similarly again another one you can take, another edit text you can take. Now again you have to set the edit text, this edit text, or you have to define the position of this edit text. There was two edit text as per our design, because we are going to implement one calculator, simple calculator. Okay, one functionality, one submit button will be there. Okay, and also you can write here this is enter. Again you can write here that enter name, name, not name, that number, enter number. Now suppose you want to change the background of this edit text. Okay, background of the edit text, you can write here that Android background, that is suppose as okay, green color is there, you can use other color, any other color, red, suppose this one or this one. Okay, now you can see the background of the edit text will be changed. Okay, similarly for this one you can change its background color. I am writing background here because I will change only the background color of this edit text. If you write background color in up this portion, it will change. Okay, it's already written green color. Okay, it will change the whole layout color. Okay, here also suppose I put on background color, that is the Android. Okay, background, that color is the, suppose again you can take as 00 FM00. Oh sorry, this is a green. You can take other color also, suppose this one, that does not. Okay, now you can check. Okay, this is the color. Okay, now what was the design? The design contains one submit button, one text view. Okay, one submit button. First I will call it submit button. Button that comes under button. You can see the button. Okay, that button I will take. I'll write. I'll put here. Okay. So you need to define the borders. Okay. Now I am putting here. Suppose this person. Okay, and now go to the code, and you can see their button is there, and I'm writing here uh, addition. Okay, and suppose I change the color of this button also. Android background that has, and I'll change it to suppose other any one color, this color. Okay. Now you see this one. Okay. And another one was the one view is there, that is text view, that to display the result. To display the result, one text view is there. The text view that is written on text view, you take this text view and also you set the position of this text view. Okay, and that text view I will put here some portion of the middle portion, and go to the text code of that text view, and you can change that text view some property. Suppose I want to change the Android. There are some property you can write down or note down in your paper also. The text color. Text color means it will change the color of the text. It will change the color of the text. Suppose text color is any one color you can take. Okay, this is the text color. Similarly, you can use the text color to set the color of the text. Android, the text color, text style. Okay, text style is there, and style there are two values. One is the three values. Okay, normal, italic, and bold. You can use bold also. Okay, text color, text style, and also you can use the Android text size. Text size, you can define the size of the text. If we write 30 dp, it will be larger one. Okay, it is a larger one. Okay. Now you can change the text also, that what will be the result. That means result equals to, I'll put here what is the result. Okay, these things you do you design it first, then okay, again that both color is, this is okay, it's visible, or you can put it back black also. Okay, this this one black. Black means all are zero. Sorry, one are, all are F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, all are zero. All are zero. Okay, it will be written as black. That is clearly visible. Okay, what are the property which till now we see in this relative layout? In relative layout, the everything that common properties are same. Common properties are same. Okay, and in this case, no need to define the orientation of the layout. Correct? This is only for the linear layout, because in linear layout, in one direction, all views will be set. And in that text view, we see that how to set the text color, how to set the size of the color, and what is the style. Okay, in place of bold, if I write here italic, you see that it's written as a italic. Okay, now you run this code in your emulator, ABD, or in real device. If it display correct, then we'll proceed for the how to calculate. Suppose someone will enter the numbers. Now how to calculate? Okay, I think I should remove this portion so that it executes faster, because it there are some sleep function. That's why it's taking some time for execution. Okay. Because that contains only the file. Okay. Now it's displayed correct properly. Now there is no problem. You can enter two number. Suppose in this you can enter 45. Okay, you can enter suppose 45. Suppose in this case you can enter 40. And if you click on addition, that result should be displayed. That result should be displayed in this portion. Result equals to. Now how to do this that one? Okay, that is our next work. Now to do this one, first two things you have to learn before making calculation. One is the set text, another one is the toast. Set text means it will set this is one function. Okay, set text is a one function that will set the text in the GUI. And toast message, what is the toast message? You can see here. Sometime you have seen, okay, this type of message you have seen, that press double click to exit or something like that. It will come and it will disappear after some time. That type of message is called toast message. Toast message will come for certain time, then it will disappear again. Okay. Now we'll do these two operation first, then we'll go for the calculation. Okay. First one is the set string, how it works. And this is the syntax, that set text object dot set text. Okay. Now we have to define one object. Okay, this is the use of set text. First one I will use the set text. Set text. Okay. Now go to the text view. It's written result equals to, and what is the ID? ID is the unique identification name by which I will identify this view. ID is the identification name by which I will identify that view. Okay. For every view, there is one ID. You can see it's automatically created. I did not create. It's automatically there. If one view does not have any ID, you put ID so that you can use that view in your Java file. Okay. Now we'll use one Java file for using the setText message, and setText message will display the text, some text into the GUI. Clear? Now, in this text view, I'll write something. There is written result equals to, it is displaying here. Okay, this is the static, you cannot change. Now in Java program, I will change that code, means that result equals to, I'll change into some other string. How to do that one? Okay, the first thing is the first you create, for this one, first you need to create or need to define. Okay, first this is the first one, that and declare declare object of that view. Where I'll write in this position, in text view position. I'll write one new text in this position. So this is my text view and this is the ID. I'll create one or declare one. First thing is that I'll declare object of that view. Okay, I'll declare one object. How to declare one object? Go to the Java file. Okay, and I will declare one object. What type of object I will declare? That I will declare one text view object. Text view. Okay, and object name, the text view. Okay, then next one. Next one. Second, identify view in Java file. I'll identify the view. I declare the view, but I have to identify that which view. The text view, there may be a lot of text views are there, but which text view I will use. For that, you need to identify the text view. So for identification, what I will do, the text view equals to, first I'll, this syntax you need to write, the text view find view by ID, find view by ID, and within this parameter there will be r.id dot this ID, okay. If you write here text view 1, you have to write here text view 1. If you write here text view, you need to write here text view. Okay, this is the ID. That ID I have to use here. That r.id from resource. That ID is the text view. Okay, that one I will take.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, is we need to typecast text view in Android?
Not always, but it is better if you use text view typecast. Okay, because I am taking the text view, you can use that one. It's always not necessary, but this version I think it's required. Okay, or if you remove this one, you see if there is any error, then you can, no error is there, you can omit that. Okay, otherwise you can use. Other than you can use, it's better to use because these are the general means. For a letter we cannot face any problem. Suppose a large program you are doing, you cannot face any problem for that. Okay, next one I'll set the text. Where I'll set that text view object. In text view object I'll set the text view dot set text function I'll call. Set text function I'll call, and I'll write down the text. That I will write, okay, this is the my text. Okay, now you see in layout it's written result, but when I'll run, that result will be replaced by this string because I set the text in runtime. You see, I set that text in runtime. It will change result equals to this string, that string defined in set text. Now you see, though I written result equals to in the layout.xml file, in runtime I change that string into this one. Okay, this is the use of the set text. To set, then after identifying what I did, after I identify, I did this one, that object dot set text I did. Okay, And why I did this one? To replace a string in runtime. Right. This is the setText. And what is the syntax of setText? Syntax of setText is nothing. That setText. This is the syntax. You pass some string in that. Okay. Now suppose again I am writing here result equals to. It will give result equals to. Initially you can make it. There is no text. Okay. Suppose before making this one, if I do not give anything, then what will be the output in this place? This place, what will be the output? Anyone?
Blank.
Blank, because I make setText. Text is nothing. It will give blank. You see, it is giving blank. Also, in runtime, I did not set anything. That means what? If you run this one, you will get blank portion. There is nothing will be displayed. No string will be displayed here. Now I'll set the string in this portion. It will be better to get the result. Okay. Or you can write here your name also, that my result is okay. Whatever you can write. Now you can see it's running now very faster. Yeah, means earlier program there was some that EA functions, sleep functions. That's why we are waiting for some time to get the output. Now you can see the no message is displayed. Now return here result equals to. Now you run this again, and that will be set in the runtime. Okay, result equals to. Okay. Now come to the second one. I'm removing all these three. Okay. Next, that is the toast message. Toast message, you understand what is the toast message, everyone? What is the toast message, you can understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the toast message? That message will appear. Suppose some application, you press one back button, but the message is given, press again, then it disappears. That message disappears. Okay, that type of message is toast message. So we'll use that toast message for that. Okay, for toast message, what I'll do, I'll use all these things later. Yeah. First, I'll write the toast message. Okay, okay. For writing the toast message, that we need to declare toast equals to make toast toast dot set dot make text. Just do it. Okay, that was the same sentence. First one is there are three parameters. Right? First one is the context. That is the you can write here get main activity get application context. This one you can use, or you can use main activity dot this. Any one you can use. Okay, two things I told, that one is the get application context, second one is the main activity dot this. But it is better to use get application context, because you are not writing every time, you will not write program in main activity, there may be other activities also. Okay, for that it is better if you use get application context. Okay, second one, this is the first parameter of make test. Okay, what we are writing, that is the make test. Okay, you can see that second one is the string, third one is the duration. Duration means how long I will display the message. Okay, suppose second message is the result found. Okay, result found, and third one is the duration. Okay, and duration is the post dot, you can see length long, length short, two values are there. Length long, it will display the longer time, and short it will display the shorter time. Okay, you can see first I will use longer time. Okay, then another function show, otherwise you cannot display, means a message will be displayed. Okay, this is the syntax for toast. Clear? Now you run this program.
Yes, sir.
Now you just see in this portion of this application, you can find some toast message. Okay, after launching activity. Okay, now you can see it's gone, it's coming and gone. Again you run, it will appear in this portion, then it will disappear. Notice in this portion. Okay, bottom portion. What happened? Okay, result found, that message you are getting, all of you are getting this message that is coming and again disappearing.
Yes, sir.
Now this is length long, if you make it length short, you see it's very shorter time, means it will come and it will disappear quickly.